and water. They make up a non-Newtonian fluid, which is liquid, but solid under the percussive action of the speaker.
Now let's understand why does a mixture of cornstarch and water, which is of explained earlier, acts as a solid under the percussive action of loudspeakers. See what happens when you apply certain magnitude of force on any fluid. The molecules in the fluid resist the force. They oppose the applied force. Why? Because they do not want to change their current state, their current orientation. It is simply as laziness in human being. But in fluid mechanics, the term is called as viscosity. It is simply a resistance to change. Now the fluid whose viscosity does not depend on any magnitude of force applied are known as Newtonian fluid. Example given is water. You apply any magnitude of force on water, the viscosity remains same. The water molecules opposes the force with the same amount on 20 Newton, 100 Newton as well as 200 Newton. But the fluid whose viscosity depends on the magnitude of force applied are known as non-Newtonian fluid. The example given is paint. If you keep stirring the paint continuously, the paint turns into pure liquid. The flow becomes easily. Why? Because you keep on stirring it. You keep increasing the magnitude of force. So the viscosity of the paint decreases. Similar example is honey.